words, it's easier said than done. Got nothing worth to show.
Hello, College Diaries Miyuki edition. I'm gonna let Miyuki take on this vlog. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
Been
Bye-bye.
over and dead before we said all I said before. Yeah, we don't really know how to take it. I get lost into your love and I hate it, and it breaks me. Wouldn't let it before, now it's fatal.
We are at the 7-Eleven and we are going to go grocery shopping.
See, I'm bleeding just to say.
Yeah.
Eh, may kulay yung hair ko dito.
Ito na lang ako dito nga.
Charot.
Yun nga, yun. Tapos,
Oo.
ano na ba gawin natin ngayon?
Ay, para sa no culminating. Grocery.
Stop. Wow. Simot. Bakit yun binili mo?
Kasi cucumber.
Ayun, Uya siya, no? Yung Yashano po, ang yun sila, alam naman pupunta ako, hindi nila binuksan talaga ng maaga. Dadaan si Pia. Para siyang si Tom Cruise.
I wanna be that pretty little baby. Mahal mo na ako.
Dun na.
Uwi na kayo.
Miss ko na siya. Okay, te. UST Legazpi Tour.
When I say what? Tell me why ain't nothing but a heart. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Now number 5.
Buksan mo nga, buksan mo nga, buksan mo nga.
Hawak ako, ha? Tapos naliliwan ko, ikaw. Oh. Nakaganito ka, nakaganito kasi, nakaganyan. Tapos inaaway mo daw pa ako.
I'm passing this phone sa addict ng What Happened Bella, pero hindi pa natatapos yung Twilight series.
I'm passing this phone to someone na nauudlot pag hina-hardline.
Okay, na wrong set lang, wrong set. Basta hindi ako yun, ha? Hindi ako yun. I'm passing this phone to you. I'm passing this phone to someone na nagiging hi pag nagko-coke. Ano, I'm passing this phone sa sa flat. I'm passing this phone to someone na patay na yung gusto niya. I'm passing this phone sa walang tatay. Sa hindi. Wala ka din tatay. Kaya ka ba ulit doon? Dito? Charot. No! Dito yung may ilaw. Dito dapat yung ilaw. Dito yung may ilaw.
Parang tribo.
Wala mangyayari. Wala ako maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I asked for too much. They all felt it and felt it. I'm in a new hell every time. You double cross my mind. Lost by it. I'd like to be my old self again, but I'm still trying to find it. After that sure days, the nights you made me your own. Go na.
Bilis mo na ako magana man wala. Big brain ba? Big brain. 50. Hi.
Sana.
Kukuha sana ako kanina. Gaganon ako pag gano'n. Plastic. Ay, ang cute oh. Tingnan mo. Hawakan mo. Oh. Try mo, try mo. Stress reliever.
Baby.
Pini Paul yung
Congrats everyone! Yay! Congrats!
Malagi na ako nililiga.
Alin na po?
To write to make your wrongs as easy you sure? Been over and dead before we said all is said before, yeah, we don't really know how to take it. I get lost into your love.
Welcome to Tindahan ni Aling Nana. This is our Aling Nana, ang Tita, and her thousands of maliligaw. Wow! Mahalaga ng
Why you have to take it all away? Picture tayo mamaya. Don't you see I'm bleeding just to say big success. Amen!
Si Madam na mag-ano sa kanila.
Champion.
Madaming point eh.
Maraming point.
Hi guys, hawak namin po ni Samantha. A day in my life as a business agent student na walang pera.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper.
How was your stitch donuts? Ang tamis. Joke only.
Somehow you turned to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on?
Grabe ang brightness mo.
Ulitin mo yun ulit. Paano? Sige daw. Sulot ang ngani. Joey lang
Kita
yawan.
pa ba? Wow! Sulatin mo na!
Sabi ng sulat mo daw. So I live, but sometimes.
Try mo.
But sometimes.